Downsizing isn't just about the stuff. It's also about the stories we tell ourselves. Unfortunately, many of those stories are based on myths that can stop us before we even begin. I'm going to debunk the most common misconceptions about downsizing so you can start your journey with clarity and confidence. Myth 1, I'll regret letting go of my things. One of the biggest fears people have about downsizing is the idea of regret. What if you give away something that turns out to be valuable? What if you lose a connection to a cherished memory? The truth, letting go doesn't mean losing the memory. Your relationships, experiences, and identity are not tied to the things you own. If an item doesn't serve your current or future life, it's okay to release it. In fact, many people report feeling relieved and empowered once they start letting go. Tip: for sentimental items, try taking photos or creating a digital scrapbook. You can honor the memory without keeping the physical object. Myth 2, downsizing means giving up my lifestyle. Many people believe that moving to a smaller home or simplifying their possessions will mean sacrificing their quality of life. The truth? Downsizing isn't about giving up your lifestyle. It's about refining it. When you let go of clutter, you make space for the things that truly matter. A smaller, more organized space can actually enhance your lifestyle by reducing stress, saving time, and freeing up resources for what you love. Tip: focus on what you're gaining: freedom, peace, and the ability to focus on your priorities. Myth 3, I don't have time to downsize. It's easy to look at a house full of belongings and feel like the task is too big to tackle, especially if you're busy or dealing with other life changes. The truth? Downsizing doesn't have to happen all at once. Breaking the process into small, manageable steps makes it doable for anyone, no matter how busy your schedule. Tip: start with 15 minutes a day. Choose one drawer, one closet, or one small area to declutter. Small steps add up quickly. Myth 4, I need to keep things just in case. This myth often leads to keeping items you haven't used in years. Whether it's clothes that no longer fit or kitchen gadgets collecting dust, the just-in-case mentality can fill your home with unnecessary clutter. The truth, if you haven't used an item in over a year, chances are you won't need it. Holding on to things just in case often creates more stress than it's worth. Tip: ask yourself, would I buy this item again today? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Myth 5, I can't let go of gifts or family heirlooms. Many people feel obligated to keep gifts or heirlooms out of guilt, even if they don't want or need them. The truth, a gift's purpose is to bring joy. If it no longer serves you, it's okay to let it go. Family heirlooms can be passed on to someone else who will appreciate them, or you can preserve their memory in creative ways. Tip: for heirlooms, consider asking family members if they'd like to have them. If not, it's okay to donate or repurpose them. Myth 6, I need to wait until the perfect time. Waiting for the right time often means delaying indefinitely. Life is busy, and there will always be reasons to put off downsizing. The truth, the perfect time to downsize is now. Starting small and taking consistent steps will bring you closer to your goal without feeling overwhelming. Tip: set a date to begin and commit to starting with just one area of your home. Momentum builds quickly once you start. Myth 7, downsizing is only about decluttering. While decluttering is a big part of the process, downsizing is about so much more. It's an emotional journey that helps you align your space with your values and priorities. The truth, downsizing is about creating a home that supports your current stage of life. It's an opportunity to let go of the past, embrace the present, and prepare for the future. Tip: focus on how downsizing will make you feel: light, free, and ready for what's next. By letting go of these myths, you'll gain a clearer perspective and the confidence to move forward. Downsizing is not about loss, it's about transformation. Every item you let go of brings you closer to a simpler, happier life. The stories we tell ourselves can either hold us back or push us forward. By replacing myths with truths, You're giving yourself permission to thrive during this transition. If you're interested in getting more tips like this, watch these videos.